How to fix GrabFood driver cancelled order. Here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply open your GrabFood application, and then from here what you're going to do is check on your home screen or activity tab in order to confirm if the order was actually auto resigned to a new driver or fully cancelled. Make sure that then you can try to verify your refund status. If you were charged, you can actually check your GrabPay wallet balance or your original payment method, and Grab automatically issues an instant refund or credit for the driver cancelled order, so make sure that you got that refund. So after doing that, if the order was fully cancelled, you can return to the merchant's place, and then from there you can place the order again. Place the order one more time, and after doing that, if they are still canceling, then try to contact your support. If the charge remains pending or refund reflects within the 24 hours, you can actually navigate to your account option, where you'll be able to find the help center in the Grab application and submit a ticket, and that way I'm pretty sure they will be able to help you out.